Get ready for the dictation. Start. These appeals have been preferred against the judgment and order dated 14/11/2019 passed by the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, New Delhi, in Company Appeal number 411 of 2018, thereby affirming the order passed by the National Company Law Tribunal concerning maintainability of the applications filed under section 241 and 242 of the Companies Act 2013, hereinafter referred to as the Act. The case is the outcome of a family tussle. Late Mr. Abhay Kumar Oswal during his lifetime held as many as 535,3,960 shares in Messer Oswal Agro Mills Limited, a listed company. He breathed his last on 29/3/2016 in Russia. On or about 18/6/2015, Mr. Abhay Kumar Oswal filed a nomination according to section 72 of the Act in favor of Mrs. Aruna Oswal, his wife. Two witnesses duly attested the nomination in the prescribed manner. As per the appellant, it was explicitly provided therein that this nomination shall supersede any prior nomination made by me/us and any testamentary document executed by me/us. The name of Mrs. Aruna Oswal, the appellant, was registered as a holder on 16/4/2016 as against the shares held by her deceased husband. Mr. Pankaj Oswal, respondent number 1, filed a partition suit being CS number 53/2017 claiming entitlement to 1/4 of the estate of Mr. Abhay Kumar Oswal. He claimed 1/4 of the deceased's shareholdings, who was holding shares to the extent of 39.88% in Oswal Agro Mills Limited, respondent number 2. The deceased also held 11.11% shares in Messrs. Oswal Green Tech Limited, respondent number 16. The petition suit was filed on 3/2/2017 by respondent number 1 for 1/4 each of 39.88% shareholding in respondent number 2 company and 11.11% shareholding in respondent number 16 company. Prayer was made for an interim injunction in the civil suit. The High Court, wide order dated 8/2/2017, directed the parties to maintain the status quo concerning shares and other immovable property. As on 8/2/2017, the shares stood registered in the ownership of Mrs. Aruna Oswal, who continues to be the owner of the shares. After the demise of Mr. Abhay Kumar Oswal, respondent number 1 entered into the corporate offices of respondent numbers 2 and 16 along with his wife, for which a criminal complaint was lodged. FIR number 54/2016 was registered at Police Station Barakhamba Road, New Delhi. As a counterblast, respondent number 1 also filed a criminal complaint against the appellant as well as the officials of respondent number 2 and respondent number 16 companies, alleging illegal transmission of shares. The application filed by respondent number 1 for registration of the FIR was dismissed wide order dated 13/8/2018, and the revision petition filed against the said dismissal is pending. Mr. Pankaj Oswal, respondent number 1, filed company petition number 56/CHD/PB/2018. Pankaj Oswal versus Oswal Agro Mills Limited and others, alleging operation and mismanagement in the affairs of respondent number 2 company. A prayer was also made against Messrs. Oswal Green Tech Limited. Respondent number 1 claimed eligibility to maintain the petition on the ground of being a holder of 0.03% shareholding and claiming entitlement and legitimate expectation to 9.97% shareholding of Messr. Oswal Agro Mills Limited by virtue of his being the son of deceased Abhay Kumar Oswal. An application was filed before NCLT in May 2018 by the appellant challenging maintainability of the petition inter alia on the following grounds. Stop.